Hello.
Hello?
Ah, do you speak English?
Yes.
Yes. Gibson wa mo. Ano, Gibson. Your name, Gio? Hello.
Hello, can we start?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for
Philippines.
yeah. Thank you for joining and helping me finish my college assignment. First of
Okay.
all, may you introduce your name and where you are from?
I'm Herbert De La Cruz from Philippines.
Oh,
I'm 40 years old and I live here in Japan with my family.
nice name. Before going
Thank you.
into the question, I will introduce myself. First,
Okay.
my name is Janet Deli Erli Pandiangan. I studied at the Tarutung State Christian Institute, majoring in early childhood education. Okay,
Okay.
let's move on the main question.
Okay.
May I know what is your job and do you like your job?
My job is I'm forklift driver here in Japan. Yes, I love my job. Very. I'm here in the company almost 6 years.
Can you speak Japanese? If you can, how can you
Yes,
understand it easily?
not really, but I know how to speak, but not fluent. And I understand Japanese.
If you are now living in Japan, do you ever miss your hometown?
Yes, absolutely, miss. My family also live in the Philippines. I miss him so much.
Is there anything you like in Japan that you can find in the Philippines?
Ah, I like most of the Japanese food, but Philippines, the Japanese foods were not in the Philippines. So I love the Japanese food so much.
What do you think about Japan?
Japan is awesome. Ano, friendly people, nice country, rich country. All I want here is in Japan.
What food do you like in Japan and what food do you like in the Philippines?
What again?
What food do you like in Japan and what food
Ah,
do you like in Philippines?
in the Philippines, I like many foods like sinigang, adobo. I really miss that food. But here in Japan, almost all the Japanese foods also I like sushi, sashimi, gyudon, and many more.
Okay, all your answers are very impressive. Okay,
Thank you.
uh, okay, that's all the question from me. Once again, I thank you for your help. Okay,
Okay,
hopefully, Paul, we can meet again another time.
anytime.
Thank
Okay,
you. See you
thank
again.
you. See you again. Thank you very much.